Okay, guys, welcome back. We are now finding the missing endpoint, or sometimes it's called the other endpoint. So with these examples, what happens is they give you a midpoint. So they give you M, and they say that that's the midpoint of AC. Okay, so what I do is I actually draw a segment, or I draw kind of like a number line. And this is my segment, and I put M in the middle because M is the midpoint. It says to find the coordinates of the missing endpoint when you're given that one. You're given one of your points. So whatever point they give you. So this time they give me C. I'm going to put it on the left. Whatever they give me, I always put it on the left. And what I do is I write the X value on top of that little segment and the Y value on the bottom. So you're given the middle and you're given one end. The way you can think about it is how many places or how many numbers, how many spaces did you move if you go from -3 all the way to 0? Okay, well, if you go from -3 to 0, you go up 3. Okay, so if you go up 3, put +3 in here, we go up 3. So we need to go up 3 again. Well, if I go up 3 again from 0 plus 3, I'm going to end up at 3. All right, makes sense? Think about it that way. How many did you move up? All right, let's do the next one. So if I go from 6 to 4, what did I do? Well, in this case, I went down 2. So from 4, I need to go down 2 again. So if I do 4 minus 2, I'm going to end up at 2. Okay, so my ordered pair, my X value was on this top row, so that's 3, my X, and my Y value was on the bottom, so it's 2. All right, so your steps are, again, let's do the next one. We are going to put the M in the middle. So I put the -1 on top, the 5 on the bottom. Whatever value they give me, I don't care about with the letter, but they give me a -4 and a 3, so I put that on the left side. All right, so now I'm going from -4. I'm going from -4 to -1. So what do I do if I go from -4 to -1? Okay, I am going +3. If I go from -1, I got to do +3 again. So what is -1 plus 3? Well, that should be 2. Okay, so let's do the bottom one, the Y values. If I go from 3 to 5, okay, that's +2. So do the same thing. I'm going to do 5 plus 2. That's going to take me up to 7. So my ordered pair for this last point would be 2, 7. All right, let's look at 2 more. Okay, same thing. They give us the M. So if they give you the M, you put that in the middle. They give you whatever point. They give me C this time. So I've got -3 and 5. So if I go from -3 all the way up to 5, that's a big jump. Okay, that's adding 8. Well, if I add 8, I need to add 8 over here as well. So 5 plus 8 would take me all the way up to 13. Okay, think about this, 4 to 3. I just went down 1. So 3 minus 1 would take me to 2. Okay. All right, the last example, I put the M in the middle again. So my M is -7, 0. Remember, I put the X on top, the Y on the bottom, and whatever point they give me, I'm going to put that on the left. So I've got a -1, 0. If I go from -1 down to -7, I went down 6, -6. So I need to go down 6 again. So -7 minus 6, that would take me all the way to -13. Okay? Well, what happens if I go from 0 to 0? Nothing happens. Okay? So the same thing is going to happen again. So -13, 0 would be my ordered pair. And I did not write my answer for this one. It should have been 13, 2 as well. Okay? Hope that makes sense, guys. Reach out if you've got any questions, and hopefully you'll be able to get your work done for this week. Have a great week.